Let's take a quick tour of how to do a search in Govly so you can effectively narrow in on the right opportunities and find exactly what you need. We are here in the opportunities dashboard. This is where you'll land when you open the app for the first time. You can always easily find your way here by hitting opportunities on the top left of your page. So here along the left side, you will find a comprehensive list of filters. You can filter opportunities by when they were posted, modified, the respond by date. If you're looking for specific agencies or buyers, go here to buyer. Start typing in that agency's name and select from the dropdown. You can even choose multiple buyers at once here. You can filter by the specific contract vehicles such as SOUP or ITES. I won't go over all of them, but you'll see here there's a lot of potential filters you can use to help you refine your search. The other area that gives you control over your search is obviously up here in the search box. Govly supports powerful search operators like and, not, and or. You can see this example search query right here. Typically, users are typing in names of products or vendors they sell, using things like the and operator and parentheses to group them together and expand their search, using things like the not operator to filter out anything not relevant and narrow their search. The last thing to know is that you can save your searches. This way you can get email notifications of search results without coming into the app every time. You can get those in real time, as well as refer back to a search whenever you want when you are in the app. Once you've set up a search you want to save, you can save it by just hitting save here. And this drop down here or hit the ellipses here, this will give you access to all your saved searches so you can edit them in the future, archive them, whatever you need to do. So we know there's a lot of power here, and with that comes a lot of potential complexity. We don't want things to get overwhelming. Our suggestion is to always start with something basic and add to it from there. Type in what you sell and see what comes up. If there's too much or too little, then deploy some of these advanced tools to either expand or narrow down your search. It's also a good reminder that you never have a limit or get charged for how many searches you're doing in Govly. So do multiple searches, try these, and figure out what works best. And if you ever need help, you can hit the chat button at the bottom of your screen. Someone will be available to answer any questions you might have.